In this video, we're going to talk about our new zip focus, which is a single-sided lightweight follow focus. It's available in both a 15mm lightweight version and a 19mm/15 studio. This set includes the 15mm adapter bushing, which fits into the 19mm opening. The zip focus features a standard size hand wheel and accessory port for attaching a whip or a crank. It also includes a hard stop disc, which can be used for DSLR lenses with infinite focus rotation. And the witness mark is positionable by loosening the thumb screw and setting it at the angle you prefer. Also included in the kit are two standard marking discs, and they can be installed by simply popping off the hard stop disc and installing the standard marking disc. The kit also features a 0.8 mod cine gear, as well as a rubber friction gear for DSLR lenses. In this configuration, we have the EVA1 with our PL mount and cine lens, along with our unified 15mm base plate. We have the zip focus 15mm lightweight attached to the rod, and the design of the zip focus allows for two rotation points, one on the rod and one on the body. This allows you to get the zip focus perfectly aligned vertically on the side of the camera body. The swing arm design allows you to pull the zip focus away from the lens for a quick lens change. Then you can push it back into place when you're ready. You can also see with this configuration that some cine lenses have the focus gear extremely close to the PL mount, and the zip focus is great for this because it takes up such a little amount of space. You can still attach a matte box to the front. In this configuration, we're using the zip focus 19mm/15 studio, and since we're attaching to a 19 rod, we've set aside our 15 adapter bushing. You can see that the zip focus is not properly aligned, so all we have to do is grab our swing arm and then force the zip focus into the proper alignment. Then we can tighten the thumb screw on the bottom to keep it in place. These products are all available in our store now.